Bono ekiombe kiaba kuri emirimo be University ase Orosaguri University ya Kisii iko bwanekia obachori obwika omwerio na kworokia abobisa abayago choro gosobisi gochia kwanekia nkobeka bare emiroberio yokogenderia amaganio y'abakora emirimo be University bagokwana chinga kecho niko bono baruro kobori gochia sobotendere be University ya Kisii kobeka emiroberio yogochia kwanekia buna amaganio y'abakora emirimo be University yonachikoikirani gwa senchera erengia ka okwana chinga kecho muri kyo monene omochore George Ndima nigo atebire nigo barachia kwanekia ngwikaransa bare no gotendere be University koigwana enchera bakwanekia emiroberio yabo mamincha no kwanekia okurobekana ase chipara egento bono bari bachorwa baenekire mbachikobeka emiroberio yogoikanania na kobeka bosi amaganio y'abakora emirimo.
Tulikuwa nawania kiti cha utrustee ambaye ni mwenye kusimamia fedha ya wahadhiri na kusimamia vitu ambaye inahusika na kufanya kazi utendakazi wa wahadhiri katika hiyo chama yetu. Tutatetea maslahi ya wafanyikazi wenzetu na nashukuru kwamba wametupatia nafasi kama hii na tutawaangusha na tutafanya vyema. Wapinzani wangu walikuwa wengi, sio wapinzani vile, kwa sababu kila mtu anajitosha ulingoni ili ndio tushinde pamoja. Ushindi kwangu ni ushindi kwa hata wale ambao tulikuwa tunashindana. Hakuna mshindi na hakuna aliyeshindwa. Na tumeungana mkono na tutafanya kazi kwa pamoja.
I was vying for the position of UASU chapter vice chairperson, and I have won with 106 votes. It was very tough. It's tough for ladies in politics. I have experienced it. This is the second time I'm vying. The last time I vied for treasurer during a by-election and I came in second. And I thank God for this win this time round. Basically, the function of the vice chairperson is to deputize the chair, to chair meetings when the chair is not available, and we will be able to fight for our members when it comes to their rights and any other issues that arise.
We want to go in and revamp that and negotiate that so that we have all that done. Equally, we have the CBA 2021-2025. We want to move with speed so that we are able to conclude that CBA so that our members are able to enjoy the benefits from that CBA. The message that I have to give those colleagues who competed, they did not get through, let them come, let's join hands, and we build the university. So that we had very superior policies, all our manifestos look the same. It's only that we were lucky to get in, let them come and we join hands. We must build a formidable Kisii University.
Togotigana nechi seme mwancho muriga ya toka so aso bachanu haba bwata ni bya sector bachanu kuru ase